Hi, this is Bobby, Medical TV Repair with a functionality proof of a Vizio 3D TCON that was sent to us by our market competitors and brothers in arms at the same time from N.Chandel Repair, who send us boards for repair every now and then, and at the same time servicing same boards for everybody else out there on internet like we do. Kind of a peculiar situation for us. Not many others do the same. We certainly don't send boards to anybody. And I'm not neither picking nor complaining nor anything. I'm just mentioning that this is kind of unusual. But anyhow, this board is a TCON from Vizio XVT3D554SV. And the strange thing was we're sending you as a request to the customer. We're sending you this TCON board as a request to the customer. We did not do any repairs to this board. It is true, the board has not been worked on before it came here, so we confirmed that it was non-functioning indeed and serviced it. And this video is to show, I'm not really sure the end customer or Nix, that it is working. This is the image that you see. I'm not going to show any more than that, but I will show that this is the board. Actually, let me switch off the TV, power off. Okay, so we're off now. This is the TV, and what I'm going to do is I want to show that this is indeed the board that was sent to us. It was labeled on the back. And not labeled, signed somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Whoever signed that should be able to recognize it. And this is our label. The board has been tested out and is functional today. That is all that I wanted to show for the time being. Thank you.